Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting precise information so you can act quickly. Note the Apple ID signed into Testflight and the device iOS version. Once done, verify you have at least a few hundred megabytes of free space and the build ID or invite link from the developer. Make sure to capture a screenshot or exact error text. This makes diagnosis faster. Now that you have details, sign out and back into Testflight only if you see obvious account mismatches. Otherwise, proceed to the next steps. Next, fix account and build level blockers. Force quit Testflight and restart the device to clear transient glitches, then attempt the install again. If the invite was sent to a different Apple ID, you must sign into that account or request a new invite. This is often the why behind permission errors. Also inspect the build's expiration and whether the developer removed your tester access. If the build is expired or your role changed, ask the developer to resend a current invite or add you back to the team. Finish with network and cache troubleshooting. Switch to cellular or a different Wi-Fi to rule out proxy or DNS problems and retry the download. If that fails, uninstall Testflight to clear cached state, reboot, and reinstall. This fixes corrupted local data. Make sure background app refresh and downloads are allowed. If you still face issues, collect the error logs, screenshots, device model, and send them to the developer. Offer to join a quick call so they can reproduce and resolve the problem faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.